Argenziano. Cheryl or Guy.
Done that, we're here.
Okay, we are here in case number 03DR0064, Guy Argenziano versus Cheryl L. Argenziano. The parties are both present today, proceeding without counsel. Child Support Enforcement Agency is represented by Assistant Prosecuting Attorney Nick Buckmeyer. We're here for the continuation of a purge. I think it was continued from, looks like, February 1st of this year. Mr. Buckmeyer.
Thank you, Your Honor. During the entire purge period, including the 2 continued months, Mr. Argenziano had to pay $2,632.62. Up until today, he paid approximately $1,700, and he gave me $1,000 cash today. I spoke to Mr. Argenziano on the phone yesterday, and he was unclear as to whether he had to pay 4 months during the entire 6-month purge or 6 months. But either way, I think that's the reason he was a little bit late with the full payment for this full 6 months, but he has paid 100%.
Okay, and he's been paying regularly?
It was regular until, yes, he has. No payments in January, full payment in February, and March. There was one payment of $100 beginning of March.
Okay, Mr. Argenziano, I hope I'm not butchering your name.
No, that's perfect.
Okay, do you agree with what Mr. Buckmeyer is
Yes.
saying? Okay. Is that the reason why you were a little bit behind, the confusion, or?
Yeah, and as far as the purge hearing goes, that was the reason that I didn't really quite understand how everything worked. I thought I still had 2 more months to pay them from the 4.
Okay.
And I've been kind of back and forth with different jobs and stuff like that, so sometimes there's gaps in there and stuff between one job and the other, but hopefully I can get something solidified.
Yeah, I think making regular payments is really the key to this, even if you're a little bit short,
Yeah.
because it's easier for her to rely on
Yeah.
regular payments coming in. Ms. Argenziano, do you have anything you want to say?
No.
Okay. With that, I'll find you purge the contempt. Keep up the good work and keep it flowing.
All right.
Thanks.